What if a handful of delicious, vibrant berries could help you fight aging, protect your heart, and even sharpen your mind? That's not a fantasy. It's the incredible power of red berries. Packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and phytonutrients, these tiny fruits are some of nature's most potent defenses against disease and premature aging. From strawberries and raspberries to cranberries and cherries, red berries don't just add color to your plate, they are a daily investment in your long-term health. Cherries in this article, we'll explore how to use red berries in your diet, their scientifically proven benefits, a delicious smoothie recipe, and important precautions to keep in mind. Get ready to discover why these crimson gems are much more than just a sweet treat. What are red berries and why are they so powerful? Red berries are small, brightly colored fruits that share one remarkable feature: they're loaded with antioxidants. These compounds help neutralize free radicals and stable molecules that damage cells and contribute to chronic diseases, inflammation, and aging. Some of the most common red berries include strawberries, raspberries, cranberries, cherries, red currants, goji berries. Each of these has its own unique nutrient profile, but they all have one thing in common: an abundance of polyphenols, vitamin C, and anthocyanins, natural pigments responsible for their deep red color and their incredible health effects. The science behind their antioxidant power. Antioxidants protect your body by fighting oxidative stress, a key factor in the development of chronic diseases such as heart disease, cancer, diabetes, and neurodegenerative disorders like Alzheimer's. Studies have shown that people who consume berries regularly have lower levels of inflammation, improved cholesterol balance, higher HDL, lower LDL, better blood sugar regulation, enhanced brain function, and memory. Anthocyanins, in particular, have been linked to improved circulation and blood vessel integrity. Meanwhile, vitamin C supports collagen production, keeping your skin firm and youthful, and your immune system strong. Health benefits of red berries. Let's dive into the specific, science-backed benefits of these antioxidant-rich fruits. Heart health. Red berries help reduce bad cholesterol, LDL, and increase good cholesterol, HDL. They also lower blood pressure and improve arterial elasticity, reducing the risk of atherosclerosis. Regular consumption has been associated with a significantly lower risk of heart attacks and strokes. Cancer prevention. Thanks to their high polyphenol and anthocyanin content, red berries can inhibit the growth of cancer cells. These compounds help block the damage caused by free radicals and reduce inflammation, to processes that often lead to the development of cancer. Anti-aging and skin health. Vitamin C and ellagic acid found in strawberries and raspberries boost collagen production, preventing sagging skin and fine lines. Their antioxidants also protect your skin from UV damage and pollution, giving you that radiant, youthful glow. Brain protection. Cognitive decline is one of aging's biggest challenges. That berries might help delay it. Research from Harvard University has shown that women who ate berries twice a week delayed cognitive aging by up to 2.5 years. Anthocyanins and flavonoids improve communication between brain cells and protect neurons from oxidative damage. Digestive health. Raspberries and blackberries are rich in dietary fiber, promoting gut health and regular digestion. Fiber helps maintain a healthy microbiome, which is essential for nutrient absorption and immune system balance. Blood sugar regulation. Despite their natural sweetness, red berries have a low glycemic index. Their fiber and polyphenols help slow glucose absorption, making them an excellent choice for people with diabetes or those trying to manage their weight. Immune system support. Cranberries and strawberries contain high amounts of vitamin C and antioxidants that strengthen your immune system and protect you from infections. They also possess mild antibacterial properties, helping prevent urinary tract infections and oral bacteria buildup. How to incorporate red berries into your diet. You don't need to overhaul your entire diet to enjoy the benefits of red berries. Here are simple, delicious ways to add them to your everyday meals. Morning. Add fresh or frozen berries to oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothies. Midday. Sprinkle them on salads for a burst of flavor and color. Snack time. Enjoy a handful of berries with nuts for a balanced, antioxidant-rich snack. Dessert. Make healthy berry parfaits or blend them into a natural sorbet. Hydration boost. Infuse your water with berries and mint for a refreshing antioxidant drink. Tip: frozen berries are just as nutritious as fresh ones, so stock up and keep them handy year-round. A delicious and nutritious red berry smoothie recipe here. A quick and energizing smoothie recipe that combines the best of red berries into one glass. Red berry antioxidant smoothie ingredients: 1/2 cup strawberries fresh or frozen, 1/2 cup raspberries, 1/2 cup cranberries or cherries, 1 banana for natural sweetness and creaminess, 1 tablespoon chia seeds or flax seeds, 1 cup unsweetened almond milk or your milk of choice, 1/2 cup plain Greek yogurt for protein and probiotics, 1 teaspoon honey or agave syrup optional, a few ice cubes. Instructions: 1. Add all ingredients to a blender. 2. Blend until smooth and creamy. 3. Pour into a tall glass and enjoy immediately. Optional boost: Add a scoop of protein powder or a handful of spinach for extra nutrients without affecting flavor. This smoothie is not only refreshing and naturally sweet, it's a powerhouse of antioxidants, healthy fats, and fiber. Perfect for breakfast, post-workout, or as a mid-afternoon energy booster. Tips for getting the most out of red berries: choose organic when possible. Berries can absorb pesticides more than other fruits. Buying organic ensures you're getting their benefits without harmful residues. Store them properly, keep berries refrigerated and unwashed until you're ready to eat them. Washing too early can make them spoil faster. Freeze for longevity: freezing preserves nutrients. You can buy them frozen or freeze fresh ones yourself in portioned bags. Don't overdo it while they're healthy. Moderation is key. Too many berries can increase sugar intake, especially for those watching their glucose levels. Potential risks and contraindications: even superfoods have precautions. Here are a few things to consider. Allergies. Some people may be allergic to certain berries, especially strawberries. Symptoms can include itching, swelling, or digestive discomfort. If you're unsure, start with small amounts and monitor your body's reaction. Oxalates. Certain berries, such as raspberries, contain oxalates, which can contribute to kidney stone formation in sensitive individuals. Those with a history of kidney stones should moderate their intake. Blood thinners. Berries like cranberries and cherries can interact with blood-thinning medications, for example, warfarin. If you're on such medication, consult your healthcare provider before significantly increasing your berry consumption. Added sugars. Be cautious with store-bought berry products like jams, juices, and dried berries, which often contain added sugars that counteract their health benefits. Always check labels or make your own at home. The bigger picture: red berries and a healthy lifestyle. While red berries offer remarkable benefits, they're most powerful when combined with an overall healthy lifestyle. Regular physical activity, good sleep, hydration, and a balanced diet full of colorful fruits and vegetables all work together to optimize your well-being. Think of red berries as one piece of your health puzzle, a small, delicious, and vital part of a bigger picture. Fun fact: the secret behind their red color, that vivid crimson hue, comes from anthocyanins, a class of flavonoids responsible for the bright colors in many fruits and vegetables. But their beauty isn't just skin-deep. Anthocyanins help reduce inflammation, improve vision, and protect your heart. The deeper the color, the higher the antioxidant content, so those dark ruby red berries are your best pick. Why red berries deserve a spot in your diet: they fight inflammation and oxidative stress. They support heart, brain, and skin health. They help balance blood sugar and cholesterol. They're rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They taste amazing and are easy to add to meals. In short, red berries aren't just food, they're functional medicine disguised as dessert. Final thoughts: let food be your medicine. The next time you crave something sweet, reach for red berries. They satisfy your taste buds while fueling your body with natural protection. Whether in smoothies, snacks, or salads, every bite brings you closer to a healthier, stronger, and more radiant version of yourself. Ready to take the first step toward better health? Blend up that red berry smoothie today and feel the difference inside and out. Your body and your future self will thank you.